Displaying an image in PowerShell GUI. Hi everyone, and welcome back to PowerShell GUI course. In this video, we'll learn how to display an image in a PowerShell Graphical User Interface, or GUI. Let's jump right in. First, let's make sure we have our PowerShell environment ready. We'll be loading libraries to create our GUI. We start by loading the libraries. This is vital for creating our GUI elements. Here's the line of code. Next, we create a new form. Think of this as the main window of our application. Now we need a PictureBox to display our image. This is where the magic happens. Next, we set the image path. Make sure you have your image file named image.jpg in the same directory as your script. We want our image to fit well within the PictureBox, so we set the size mode to zoom. After that, we need to add our PictureBox to the form, which makes it visible. Finally, we show the form with Show Dialog, which keeps the window open until we close it. Let's run this code and see our image in action. And there you have it. That's how you can easily display an image in a PowerShell GUI. Feel free to experiment with different images and size modes. Until next time, happy scripting.